Let's take a look at number 4. Number 4 says 3 expressions are shown. In which number do the digits 7, 3, and 9 have the same values as those shown in the expressions? Depending on how your brain works, there are several ways you could have solved this problem. You could have written each answer option out in expanded notation since that matches the bullet points. You could draw a place value chart. Or you could go through each one and see if the bullet points match that number. So I think that's how I'm going to do this one. If you wanted to draw the place value chart, helps if the pen is working. The place value chart, right? And you would just need to write each one of these in the place value chart and then go back and check the bullet points. I'm going to come over and just kind of go through the bullet points. So I'm going to start with the first one, and I'm going to check each answer option for this value. So it says 7 times 10. That would give me a value of 70, or I need to find a 7 in the tens place. That's saying the same thing, okay? So if I look at the tens place in A, I have a 1. This cannot be my answer. I don't have a value of 70 in this number. Okay. Looking at B, B has a 7 here. This is my tens place. Look where the 8 is. That's my ones. That makes this 10. So this is a possible answer choice. It does not get deleted. Okay. Looking at C, here's my 7. This is in the tens place. I do have a value of 70 in this one, so this one does not get cut. And D also has a 7 in the tens place. Okay, so we have looked for our 70 or our value of 7 in the tens place. Moving on to the next bullet point, it says I have 3 tenths. 3 tenths would be written like this. Okay, so I'm looking for a 3 in the tenths place. I'm skipping A because I already determined it cannot be A. If I look at B, my tenths place is going to be the first digit behind the decimal. In this one, it's a 0. I need it to be a 3. So B can go. Looking at C, the first digit behind the decimal is a 3. That fits my clue. Looking at D, my 3 is in the tenths place. That fits my clue. Could still be this one. Okay, I'm going to mark this off because I have now checked every answer option. Look at the 9. I imagine that this is where a lot of kids got tripped up. You're assuming that the 9 is in the hundredths place. But look, this is thousandths. I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. It's thousandths. So written out, this would be like this. Okay. So looking at answer choice C, in my thousandths place, I have a 9. This could still be my answer. In D, though, there is a 9, but it's in the hundredths place. It can't be D. I would call this one your distractor. They're all kind of distracting, really. But this one is definitely the distractor. I see how B could be also. For just a second, C is our answer. Hang on. It's not a smart board, Mrs. Morris. Okay. C is our answer. It fits all the rule. B, I could also see how it could distract you because it's got the 7 in the tens place and the 9 in the thousandths place. And if you were not careful on that middle bullet, I could see how you could pick that one. C is our correct answer.